Hi there, welcome to my channel. I'm Mrs. A, and if you are new here, I'm going to have a series of videos for grade 7, grade 8, and grade 9 math. So please don't forget to subscribe, share, and like my videos if you like it. So let's get started. In today's lesson, you are going to learn about what quadratic equation is. And we are going to also rewrite the given quadratic into standard form, identifying the value of a, b, and c, and identifying the degree of polynomials. Okay, now, quadratic equation is an equation in one variable where the highest exponent is 2, or in degree 2. Now look at this. It is an equation in one variable. So there is only one kind of variable that you can see in the given equation. You need to check that in order to identify if it's quadratic or not. And the highest exponent of that variable should be 2. Okay, so ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is the standard form of quadratic equation. Take note, the exponent of x here, the highest one, is 2. Now, in that standard form, a, b, and c are real numbers. B and c can be equal to 0. So it means pwedeng maging 0 yung value ng b and c natin. But not a. Hindi may pwedeng maging 0 yung a. Kasi pag naging 0 yung a, mawawala na yung term na yan. So hindi na siya magiging quadratic. Now, the coefficient of x squared, which is a, is the leading coefficient. That is called leading coefficient. Now, I have here equations. You are going to identify which of the following are quadratic. Take note, this is the standard form. Now, check number 1. Ask yourself if is the exponent 2 or the highest exponent is 2. First one, are they in one variable? Okay, so exponent is 2. This is quadratic. This one, x squared minus 9. Yes, this is quadratic. Number 3, x cubed. Okay, the exponent now of x is 3. This is not quadratic. Number 4, the exponent of x is 1. That's not quadratic also. Here, x squared is equal to 9 plus 2x. The highest exponent here is 2, therefore this is quadratic equation. In number 6, this is only one variable. Letter t is the variable and the exponent of t is 2, therefore this is quadratic equation. Same as number 7 and number 8. Okay, so that's how you're going to identify if the given equations are quadratic or not. Now let's rewrite the following into the form ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0, or what we call the standard form. And then, saka natin kunin yung value ng a, b, and c. Kailangan naka-rewrite muna siya kasi maapektuhan yung value ng a, b, and c pag hindi siya naka-standard form. Okay, in this example now, number 1, you notice, nasa standard form na siya. So agad-agad, pwede na natin makuha yung value ng a, b, and c. Na kung saan ang a ay siya yung numerical coefficient ng x squared, and that is 2. Ang b naman ay numerical coefficient ng x, and that is 1. And then c is the constant 2. Nakuha nyo? Saan ang galing itong 2? Diyan. Yung b naman, saan ang galing? Dito sa middle term. 1, pag walang nakalagay, understood 1. At yung 2 naman ay nandito, constant c. Ayun. Let's have a second example here. X squared minus 9 is equal to 0. So napansin nyo sa pangalawang example natin, nawawala yung middle term. Ibig sabihin nito, ang bx natin, ang b ay 0. So, makukuha na natin ngayon yung value ng a. A is 1, b is 0, and C is negative 9. That's it. Let's have number 3, x squared plus 9 is equal to negative 4x. Now, you notice this equation is not yet in standard form. We need to transfer this negative 4x on the other side. So how we're gonna do that is to apply the property of equality, the addition property, or the shortcut for that is what we call transposition method. But this time we're going to have addition property. We're going to add both sides by 4x. If you want to eliminate something, you need to add the same thing but opposite in sign. So kailangan parehong number ang i-add mo pero magkaiba ng sign para magiging 0, para matanggal mo yon. Ganon din sa side dito, mag-add din tayo ng 4x. Okay, so yung 4x na yan, itong 4x dito, magiging 0 na yan. Okay, so let's rewrite first. Let's have x squared. We cannot combine these two dahil yung 4x natin ay may variable. Hindi ka pwede mag-combine ng ganyan pag may variable. So just copy 4x and then plus 9. Sa kabilang side, that would be equal to 0. Now, pag nasa standard form na siya, saka mo palang i-identify yung value ng A, B, and C. Hindi ka pwede mag-identify pag hindi pa kasi makaka-apekto sa values ng A, B, and C. So, A now is 1, which is the numerical coefficient of x squared. Our B now is 4. And our C is 9. Okay? So, the standard form equation of this kind is x squared plus 4x plus 9 is equal to 0. Next. Okay, let's have another one. Okay, look at that. So, we have two terms here that we need to move it to the other side. That is 5 and 10t. So, you can do it one by one or pwede rin namang diretso, dalawahan. So, alisin muna natin itong 5, negative 5. Tayo ay mag-add ng negative 5. Kaya pwede mo rin gawing diretso na mag-add ka rin ng negative 10t. Okay? Ganon din dito, meron kang negative 5 sa kabilang side na equation at meron ka ring negative 10t. Okay? Now, gawin na natin. Unahin muna natin dito sa side para may space tayo. So, kukopihin lang natin yung 5t squared. 5t squared. And then also copy negative 10t. Hindi natin pwede silang pagsamahin kasi magkaiba sila ng terms. Unlike terms ang tawag sa kanila. So, minus 10t. And then, negative 5. Copy lang din. At ito ay magiging 0. Ito ay magiging 0 din. Then, it is equal to 0. So, that is now the value or that is now the standard form of that equation. 5t squared minus 10t minus 5 is equal to 0. Now, you can identify the value of A. A is 5. B is negative 10. And then C is equal to negative 5. Okay, next one. You want to try that? That's easy. We only need to add or we only need to transfer one term, this negative 4 here, you need to put it on the other side. Yun yung sinasabi nilang shortcut ng addition property is simply just transpose this on the other side. So 3x squared, but there is no transposition property. That's the shortcut of addition property. So negative 6x. Okay, so this one is just like adding 4. So add 4 here, and that on the other side becomes 0. And now A is 3, B is negative 6, and then C is 4. So, ganun lang kung paano mag-rewrite into standard form. Kailangan alam nyo yan kasi may mga susunod na lesson na kailangan yung kukunin yung value ng A, B, and C. So, makukuha mo lang yung tamang values ng A, B, and C kung siya ay naka-standard form. So, 3x squared minus 6x plus 4 is equal to 0. Okay, do you have any problem? You can rewatch the video. Now, I just want to add this one about identifying the degree of polynomial or polynomials. We have, let's say, in polynomial with one variable, the degree is simply the highest exponent, like here. Look at this. We have 3x squared minus 2x plus 3. So now, kailangan alam natin na yung variable ay iisa lang o isang klase ng variable lang. Kagaya nito, x lang siya. So, makukuha natin yung degree ng polynomial na yon. Tingnan lang natin kung ano yung pinakamataas na exponent. So, kagaya ng number 1, 3x squared minus 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. The degree is 2 because the highest exponent of x is 2. 5x plus 1. The highest exponent is 1. The degree is 1. This is linear. And 5x cubed plus 3x plus 7. The highest exponent is 3 of x. Therefore, the degree is 3. Okay. Now, in polynomial with more than one variables, to determine the degree is to add the exponents of the variables in each term. And the largest sum is the degree of the polynomial. Ano ibig sabihin yan? Pag ang polynomial daw natin ay more than two variables, let's say may x siya, may y, i-add lang natin yung mga exponent sa bawat term. At yung pinakamataas na total, yun yung degree ng polynomial. So let's have an example. 3x squared and y minus 2xy plus 3. So napansin nyo, itong first term natin, pag tinotal natin yung exponent nila, maging 3. 2 plus 1. Here, 1 plus 1. So the degree of this polynomial is 3. Next, we have 4x squared, y squared plus 5x squared and y, then plus 2xy. Now, the total is, the first term, the total of exponent is 4, and that is the degree. Not necessary na yung pinakamataas ay nasa unang term. So the degree is 4. And number 5, what's the total of the first term? 4. Second term, 3. Last term, 1. So the degree is 4. Okay? So that's all. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and share my videos.